Hello friends, welcome back at this YouTube channel. So let's come with noted. So if you want know about yourself, and if you want gain something, and if you want to improve yourself, then how can you strong and how can you speak between of the people? So you should know that lot of us, if you are thinking, if you want to do, and if you want to make, and if you want to improve yourself, then let's come be know that about himself. So many people want it, and they want speak, they want to learn something new in his life. If you try to do, and if you want to go in this way, so you should try to do, and you should think that about your and about your personality. So if you will do, as if you will go in this way, so you will get to speak, you will get something new of the people. So many people become as type, they do work hard in his life, but they don't do get new in his life. Do you know it? Because they do some mistake in his life. Someone become as type, they do struggle and they go to success. So if you are thinking, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to gain lot of us knowledge, then you will get to speak. If you are thinking, I will get to better response on self, then you can do, and you can make better from the other people. So if you are doing in your present, if you are doing work hard in your present, then your future will be better from the other people's. So you should not wait your better time. You always go in your way, and you should always do work in your present situation. So what are you doing? Nothing will come a perfect time for you. So if you will do, if you are thinking as, then your thinking waste. So you should not think as type, your time will come as a good time. So if you will do work hard, if you will go your way, your time will be better, your time will be become better. If you want to make, if you want to do work your time, then everything is become nice. So you should try to do, and you should go your way. If you are thinking, I will not get to it, then you are think wrong. So many people criticize ourselves. Someone become as type, they do beginning something, and someone become as type, they will nothing beginning, only they think in his mind, if I will do as, what will be become. So if you are thinking as, then you will never get to new in your life. So you should try to do, and you should go in your way, who you want get in your life. So thank you, love you guys. So I want to improve our communication skill, and I want to speak a lot of us. If you want improve, and if you want get something new in yourself, then you have to do something different, something new, think in your mind. So I hope who you want in your life, you will get. So love you, I love you. We have to need to support. So if you have come at this channel, if you are watching at this video, so please push the bell icon and give your suggestion in the comment box. Please guys, please, we have to need to support. So thank you, love you, I love you.